What is going on, guys? Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see today on the bench, we've got the ready-made RC Mini Recruit. And if you didn't catch the recent fleet update video I did for the month of May, you might have noticed how I told you guys that this was in disrepair. Unfortunately, my stabilization board snapped in this crash here. So yeah, the battery slid back into these pins and kind of yanked them off there. You can see it's just all mangled on these pins. I went ahead and tried just to direct solder my servo and ESC leads here, and no dice on that. There must have been something that shorted out in that. Of course, there's probably some positive and negative leads that kind of got shorted between those, so I'm not totally sure what happened there, but either way, this thing is not functional anymore. So to combat that, I just went ahead and replaced it with a standard standalone receiver unit. No stabilization really necessary here. I actually never really found the stabilization all that useful. It's a pretty fine flying airplane as it is, and it's very smooth just as it is, especially for me. I'm more of an advanced pilot. With that experience in general. And I do have the same ESC 30 amps and the 1806 2400 kV motor, and the two original 8-gram servos on there as well. And this prop is upgraded as well. That's a 5x4 from Diatone on there. So yeah, this receiver right here is a standalone unit. It is a Lemon RX 6-channel receiver with diversity, and I really like these because they're just like the traditional, very popular Lemon RX 6-channel receivers. However, they, like I said, do have diversity. So they have the dipole antennas that are much longer. You can spread them out more, get better range, as well as, of course, it's almost like you have an integrated satellite in there, just because these antenna receivers are kind of receiving signal independently of one another. So it's going to be a lot more solid, and it's about the same price as the standard Lemon RX receivers. So good stuff there. And as you can see, we've got one pointing out the side here and one pointing out the back at 90-degree angles respective to each other. And the battery in here, of course, is just a Tattoo 1300 milliamp hour 45C pack, and it fits really well. Hatch just slides right on just like that. But one nice thing about not using stabilization anymore is just the fact that I feel like I have complete control. This one was always limiting my throws and always, trying to, fly the plane better than I could, if that makes sense. So I think now that I can kind of fly how I want it to, it's going to be a lot better, at least as an FPV ship. As you can see, I did also go ahead and put some tape on the sides just to kind of cover up my seams. There's some nasty glue joints and things like that from previous repairs. And also, as you can see up top, I'm probably going to do the same because this has a few nasty glue joints just from that crash. And other crashes you might have seen on my channel. So yeah, other than that, this thing is in really good condition. It's really taken a lot of abuse for, how good it is looking. So I'm really happy with that. But you can see control surface testing, we got so much more throw, a lot more resolution. These are high quality servos in here, like I said. So really happy with that altogether. I'm gonna go ahead and add some additional Elevon reflex to these in the sub trim menu on my DX6 here. But until then, I think this thing is ready for a flight. So stay tuned for a maiden flight video coming here very, very soon for this plane. Super excited to share that with you. And I'm really excited to get FPV on this here in the future. Hopefully we can get like a 200 milliwatt dedicated system for this thing, and it'll be really, really good. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little mini update. I know it's more of just a textbook boring video, but if you found it useful, please go ahead, let me know down in the comments section below. And if you have any questions, of course, please go ahead and source them there as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.